Me distract him, what?
Ow! Ow! You bit me!
This thing is mean.
Ow!
Don't like that?
He doesn't like hams.
No kidding. Or feet.
Oh, he can jump. That hurt.
He can Are you trying to inflict pain on me? Oh, he's on my foot.
He likes
Apparently not. Dude, what's up with him like flicking his wings?
on the four-wheeler. Maybe he doesn't like being told what to do.
He doesn't. This is so awesome.
Stupid bird.
Brady.
It's an orange eyebrowed grouse. We'll name him Frank.
Orange.
We can name him Frank.
Frank. Oops.
Grouse named Frank. Hi, Frank.
Hi, Frank.
Frank. Frank. Frank. Frank. Frank.